Ever wondered how to clear NCERT exams with ease? Wonder no more, because here at Advanced Gianni, we unravel the mystery for you. The first step is to understand your NCERT syllabus. Familiarize yourself with the content and scope of your curriculum. This way, you'll know what will be tested, helping you to channel your energy into the right topics. Moving on to study techniques. It is essential to have a quiet, dedicated study space. A well-structured study schedule is also crucial for managing your time efficiently. As you study, make concise notes. These will be lifesavers when it's time for quick revision. Don't forget the power of the internet. There are countless online resources that can supplement your study. Educational websites, video tutorials, and online forums are all excellent tools to help you understand complex topics and clear doubts. Now, active learning is a game changer. Don't just read, get involved. Solve question papers from previous years. Engage with exercises at the end of each NCERT chapter. You might even try teaching the material to someone else. This can reinforce your understanding and highlight any areas you need to work on. Revision, revision, revision. It's the key to locking knowledge in your memory. Use flashcards for quick recall. Regularly review your notes. And when it comes to revision, remember to prioritize your weak areas. And finally, take care of yourself. Your physical and mental health are just as important as your study. Make sure you're getting enough sleep, eating balanced meals, and taking short breaks during study sessions. In short, clearing NCERT exams is a mix of understanding the syllabus, using effective study techniques, leveraging online resources, engaging in active learning, and maintaining regular revisions. Throw in a healthy lifestyle and success is within your reach. Thanks for tuning in, and here's wishing you the best of luck with your exams.